Sheesh, boys, you saw the title. We got a busy ass day today. The hybrid turbo comes in. I gotta buy a tune. I gotta wash my car. I gotta show Ryan the turbo. Gotta go over what single port is. That sounds like a lot, right? Guess what, dude? It is. The turbo should be arriving in the next like 2 hours, I think. That's what my shipping says. So we're gonna go wash the car, come back. Hopefully the turbo is just sitting on my doorstep and we can look at it. A little cold start for the boys. Never hurt nobody, did it? Also, I have rust in my exhaust. That's good. I just remembered I actually already started my car, so not a cold start, but I could do something different. I got you, hold on. I should also probably mention we have a small problem right now. I've been on 91 octane for way too long, dude. I seriously miss E30. It's getting to be slightly frustrating. The car just feels weak, dude. It feels weak with 91 in it. And now that we're getting the hybrid in, our first map is gonna be on 91, of course. Dang. Obviously, you can't start on E30. So we're gonna be on 91 for a minute, revising the tune, but hopefully on the hybrid turbo, the 91 feels fantastic. I hope it does, but we'll see. I'm on a 91 grind, baby. I'm on it for a while. At least it still sounds good. can't complain about the way it sounds, dude. Oh yeah, actually that reminds me, dude. I still have a stock exhaust.
Hey.
What?
I just want to take another look at you.
Oh, the only thing I have is a muffler delete. That's kind of sus, dude. I should probably get like a full cat back because 2 1/4 is not good. Should I absolutely bust this Tesla right now, dude? Don't make me bust you, dude. I'll bust you, buddy. I guess you'll just have to take my word for it, dude. He was full throttle, dude. I absolutely dusted him in my 91 octane Fiesta ST. So for the Dizzy map that I'm getting, I'm ordering the pops and bangs on like the highest intensity possible.
Yes!
I'm really curious to know if it's gonna be louder than this one at Adamant Tune Plus. It should be. I've heard some videos of it and it seems kind of intense, and it's also like more immediate. Like for my map, it only goes hard at 3,500 and otherwise it's like pretty much completely silent. I'm pretty sure Dizzy's like hardcore all the time, so that'll be a nice little change. Full disclosure, I'm definitely not giving this thing like a full wash because it's gonna rain again in the next couple of days, I'm pretty sure. And with all the testing we're gonna be doing with a hybrid turbo, it's gonna be getting dusty. It's gonna be all over the road. But yeah, you can see, I mean, it's filthy anyways, but like up here like this, you can see this. This is like, I don't even know what that is, dude. But it's like sticky. Okay, so another slight issue. I just realized I lost my card, so I don't have any money to put on the machine to wash my car. So I'm gonna go try and get cash back using Apple Pay. Pull! 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 Oh, I missed a gear. Missed a gear, buddy. Tried to go one-handed into fourth. I'll tell you right now, baby, that is not the move. One thing that I find very enjoyable that I think everyone else does too in this little town here is just a lot of that. Okay, so slight L, I'm actually not washing my car at all anymore. I went there, tried to put my card in, car didn't work, went to go get cash back, got the cash back, came back, car wash is too full, dude. So I'm not washing my car today, I'm not doing it. Let's just go back and hope that the hybrid turbo is sitting on my doorstep. That'd be great. So yeah, I just got to my apartment and nothing's here at all. That's what we like to see, just a nice empty spot. Ugh, yeah, boy. All right, so while we're waiting for the turbo to get here, why don't we go ahead and order the tune from Dizzy really quick, just because you boys been talking about it. Hey.
Call the police.
Damn, boy, what's that about? Beamer boys? No, dude. So here we are on Dizzy's website. Let's go and scroll down to the Big Turbo Hybrid Turbo Pump Gas E-Tune. Custom E30 tune, 100%. Aux fueling, not yet. Pops and bangs, both maps for sure. 330 bucks. And you may have noticed I just clicked no for aux fueling. So yes, I have auxiliary fuel coming at single port with the hybrid kit. We'll see it today, but I'm not gonna tune for it immediately off the bat. We're gonna install the hybrid turbo first and get that all set up and done on E30. and then we'll install the auxiliary fueling, because auxiliary fueling, in my opinion, is like full send. If I'm gonna full send it, I wanna not full send it and blow my motor immediately. So we're gonna run just the hybrid for like a second, have some fun with that, and then we'll go single port. And on top of that, for 2 fuels, which would be 91 and E30, it's gonna be another 200 bucks. So it'd be literally 530 bucks. Your boy's not made out of money. But yeah, no, 530 bucks, I just don't have that right now to like just blow on a tune. So we're gonna go with non-aux fuel first, yay! I'm hoping to get the base map by tonight, like, which sounds a little bit ridiculous because I don't know how fast I can get like just a base map for my car, but I really want to install this turbo tomorrow, to be honest with you, so we'll see. All right, boys, I think the time has come. My dog just started barking at the door. I think it's outside, dude. Yes, dude. Yes. Oh, jeez, baby. I'm actually gonna wait to open this just a second, like it'll be 10 seconds for you guys. I'm gonna go to Ryan's house and we're gonna unbox it together and look at it, because he's the one who's gonna be helping me install this, and he's gonna help me with the auxiliary fueling. I want him to get like the first look with me and get like the first reaction of this thing. So let's cut to the next scene with me and Ryan opening this thing up.
Did you guys know that I have a turbo that I'm putting in my car? Do you care about my turbo? You seem kind of mad at me for no reason.
Just pulled up to Wayfu's house and nobody's here. Ugh. All right, I guess while we're waiting, we'll take out the box and we'll set it up so when he gets here, he's like, ooh, what's that? Oh, so clean, dude. Oh, dude, oh, dude. Oh, dude. Hey, where you going, dude?
Carbon fiber lip.
Why y'all think so sus? Is it smoky in here or are my eyes blurry? Are you smoking sus 91 octane? All right, boys, we got a lot of people pulling up right now. We got Zach right here, dude. You guys are gonna get introduced to like quite a few of my friends right now, I'm pretty sure, because everybody wants to see the turbo, right? That's why you came?
I wanted to show off my Camry too.
Oh, really? Guys, this is Zach Pownell. You guys have yet to meet him, but you'll see probably more of him in the future. He's got like 19 different Lexuses and like a weird van setup, so
Yeah,
you
it's
guys
a pretty
can enjoy
weird
that. Yeah, you're gonna get to see what a turbo looks like, dude.
Yeah, I got my turbo from TJ Maxx.
Really? That's good. I'm trying to get this kid to buy like an R34, an R33, and he just won't do it. I don't know why. He's never had a turbocharged car in his life. But he did have an IS300. Why didn't we boost it?
I don't know, man. I was
your sauce, dude.
I was 16.
I
didn't know what a turbo was.
Okay, here he is. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Whole squad pulling up, baby. Nick, do it. Do the thing.
Do it?
Do the thing.
What am I doing?
Do the thing. You know?
What?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Don't you ever do that again.
This?
Yeah.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah. Hi, Andy.
You're crazy.
Man. You get too close to
You got a
me.
little too frisky. I'm sorry, I'm drunk.
That's a bad excuse, dude.
Oh my god.
You a strong man.
How many kicks?
1, 2.
I think I broke
don't
my shoe.
fall.
Did I break my shoe? I did.
Get that leg. Oh, get those legs going.
Can't even start at one time.
Feels good. Oh, do I am I now? Don't do that. Next clip you guys see is going to be me opening the turbo with all these guys. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff, because we do it all the time. So all you got to do is ask. All right. Did you just try and kiss me? Is that what that was?
I'm gonna sit down.
All right, boys. So yeah, you guys been waiting for like months for this. Obviously, you guys have been commenting for like, yeah, literally months about this. Surprise, I didn't buy it brand new. I actually bought it used from someone named Lee Nash. A lot of you guys probably know him on the ST page. And I used to look at his videos all the time before I got this, and I was like, holy shit, like I need that, I want that. So ends up he was selling his kit right after I had purchased mine from Ron at Whoosh, and he offered me this kit with the single port and the 95-pound injector for less than the Whoosh Hybrid was alone from Ron. So I took the deal. If you guys are watching this in real time, which you probably are if you are part of the channel, follow my Instagram because I posted all this stuff 2 days ago when I actually got this. You would have seen it 2 days early. So if you want to do that, it's going to be linked somewhere on the screen here, baby.
Tripping if you don't do that. It's crazy if you don't.
Arrival time is here, baby.
You guys should see this thing. Cold.
Sheesh!
Wow.
Baby, the Whoosh Hybrid Turbo. And it's got the 14 PSI wastegate on it. Yeah, spin the wheel, baby. So for you guys that don't know what this is, it's basically, a hybrid turbo is a stock turbo that's bored out with bigger internals so you can get more up top power. So that's what this is. It's got the wastegate and then something else that we're not showing you right here that I don't even know what this looks like at all, but it looks insane, yeah? Is single port auxiliary fuel.
Oh,
so,
and we've used them before.
yeah.
Sir.
All right, so I'm gonna pull this out and show you guys. I mean, honestly, this isn't too impressive because it's just a bunch of wires, but here's single port, I guess, and then the actual spacer with the injector is right here. I guess this goes between the manifold. All right, so here's a better look at it. A lot of you guys have probably seen these on the website, but I don't know how many of you guys have seen them on video before. It's literally the stock turbo just bored out, but it makes a massive difference, especially with this wastegate. It's supposed to be pretty insane. Dude, that's insane. So yeah, guys, this is the 95-pound injector setup as opposed to, I think 50 is what it should come with usually, so this is capable of more.
That's the injector right there. It's gonna attach onto there. That.
It's like this connection.
There's a lot more connections on here than I would expect for one injector.
All right, boys, that is gonna be the end of the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We finally got the turbo. I'm like over the moon about it. All you guys have been waiting forever for this. We're gonna get it installed as soon as I get the base map from Dizzy. So Jason, if you're watching, send that base map over. I'm ready to go, baby. So me and Ryan are gonna install it. It shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully the install goes smoothly, but if it doesn't, it should make for a pretty good video. But yeah, to all you guys that have been like here from the beginning and like supporting the channel and just waiting for this, thank you guys so much for sticking around and waiting. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're finally here, boys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.